deer hunt. Taking a little coffee break. That's right, a little coffee break. Spark a little fire. Get that smoke. Traveling downwind. That'll bring 'em in. Norm Emery. Part native, smart in the head. Bushwhacker. Big time. Half a foot. Gangrene. Taught me a lot about deer. He said, get the hardwood cooking. Get the hardwood cooking, it'll bring 'em in. Oh yeah. So I sit a while, then spark a fire at coffee time. Isn't this lovely? Shortly, after coffee time, I'm going to take a walk. I'm going to take a walk southbounder, where I've got my offspring, waiting for the push. Oh yeah, the push. To get that buck, to get that doe. Give him a little push. Give him a little push. And then, venison on the table. Thank you. Thank you very much. Fabulous.